Hi everyone, my name is Kevin and today I want to show you how you can free up space on your iPhone. Now I have an iPhone 6 Plus and unfortunately when I originally bought the phone I only got the 16 gigabyte version. So what that means is that I'm frequently running out of space on my phone. So today I want to show you step by step how you could first off identify what's taking up space on your phone and second how to free up some of that space on your phone. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have my phone right here, and the first thing that you're going to want to do is click on the icon that says Settings, and that's the gray gear icon in the center of my screen. An alternative way to get it too is you could also swipe down and then you could search for Settings, and that should also pop up Settings as well. I'm going to click on it on the main screen and I'm going to jump into Settings. You'll see your settings screen here. You have lots of different settings, but what we're interested in is you're going to scroll down and there's an option called General. We want to click into General. So I'm going to tap on General, and that's going to bring up another screen. Also has a number of options within General. What we want to do though is there's an option that says, or there's an item called iPhone Storage. We want to click on that. So I'm going to tap into iPhone Storage. And so what you're going to see at the top of the screen is you're going to see a summary of how you're using space on your phone. And so in my case, the red that shows up near the top there, that's space that's used by the apps that I have on my phone. The yellow is Photos, and then the gray is Other. And so we'll get into how we could free up some of the space on the phone. So one thing that's nice that the iPhone has done is they've included some recommendations on how to free up space. And so I see two recommendations. The first one is the iCloud photo library. And what you could do is you could offload some of the photos that are on your phone, and what you can do is you can move that into the cloud. And then the second option is you could also offload some unused apps. So there are some apps on my phone that I don't use that frequently and I could remove them. What I can also do is for those recommendations, by default I see two recommendations. If I tap on the Show All option, I'll see some additional recommendations that I can do to free up space on my phone. So along with loading pictures into the cloud, offloading unused apps, I could also empty my recently deleted photos. I could look at large attachments. Let's say I included a lot of photos in text messages. I could go ahead and delete those photos because they also use up a lot of space. And here it calls out how much space I could save by following these steps. And then down below I see all the different apps and how much those apps take. What's interesting is if I click into any one of these apps, for example, if I click into my text messages, I'll see that the data is using up over 800 megabytes. And what I could do then is I could click on Review Large Attachments, and here I have a whole bunch of pictures of my son, I have videos of my son, and I could see how much each individual one is taking up. And then what I could do is I could go through and I could delete individual items from those text messages. So it'll leave the text, but it'll remove the multimedia content that's associated with that text message. And so what I could do is just item by item, I could go through here, see are there any apps that I don't use anymore. For example, the GoPro app, I haven't used it in a long time, and it's taking up about almost 114 megabytes, so that's probably a good candidate to remove from my phone. Now one thing, so the iPhone recommends loading things into iCloud. Now iCloud by default only gives you 5 gigabytes. What I do is I load all of my photos into Google Photos, and the reason why is with Google Photos you get unlimited storage space in the cloud as long as you're willing to take a compressed photo and put it in the cloud. And so what that means is the quality is only very, very, very slightly less good than the original photo, but you get unlimited photos in the cloud, so everything is backed up. And so here I am in Google Photos. What you'll see is all my items are backed up. Just by opening the app and logging in with an account, it'll back up all my photos into the cloud. And then if I tap on the hamburger icon in the top left-hand corner, so I'm going to tap there, you'll see this option in the menu that says Free Up Space. So what it'll do is it'll go through and check to see if there are any photos that I've backed up that are still on my phone, and it'll offer to delete those items. So this is also just an excellent way. What happens to me is photos, videos, they tend to take the most amount of space on my phone, and by removing them and putting them in the cloud, I'm able to free up a lot of space. So that's a quick tutorial on, first off, how you identify what's taking up space on your phone, and then number two, being able to go in and then free up some of that space on your phone. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to share it if you have any other friends who are in my boat who have an older iPhone that has a limited amount of space. If you want to see future content like this, please hit that subscribe button, and that way you'll get a notification anytime new content like this comes out. Thanks a lot, and see you next time.